Hello everybody, I'm Kinga and I usually talks about garden. Today I'm having my meals. During my meal times, I got an idea that all I am eating are getting from the gardens. With that, as a young generation, and I'm also learning and with my experience, I am here to share my knowledge, what I'm getting during my works, and I'm here to inspire my generation friends to start gardens near your kitchens, and some does their gardening even in the pots. If you're interested, you can do anything you want. Just start right now where you are, and you can do whatever you want. So stay till the end. I want to share the basic needs while you are growing your vegetables, and you will get 100% result if you follow my words that I'm saying today and what I am showing in this video. First point, in any gardenings you are doing, you have to know where you are and where your place is located. You can find it from the Google Map. From that, you can know what you can grow at that seasons and at your locations where you're staying. By knowing that, by selecting the seed that you wanted to grow, you have to prepare that seed to propagate in the soil. For that, you might be thinking why I am putting all my seeds in this water. The reason behind is to know that seed is good or that seed is in good condition or not. See, after my 6 hours keeping in the water, my beans had getting bigger, and these carrot seeds had just popped out from their covers, and they are starting to show their new germinations. From that, you have to select the good one which are floating, that are the one that has no life. You just have to take out, and this the floated one are just a wastage of time. You just throw away while you are putting the seed. This is after 24 hours. You can see all my carrot seeds has started to show their new germinations, and this beans has become bigger than the last one, and that floated one are the one which are useless, which are no use to put in the garden. Now seeds are ready to go in the soil. That is the second point to preparations of the soil. You have to keep in mind, you have to make your soil soft so that it will provide them support to the seeds when they develop their root. It will help them to develop their roots healthy. If you provide them a good conditions of soil, you can get the outcome results so much better. Now the third point, the selections of the soil. We have made the selections already by keeping the seeds inside the water. You just take out and throw it out which are not good and which are floating on the water. So let's put seeds inside the soil. Now the final point, to put the seeds on the ground. So stay till the end. It is the last point, how to put your seeds inside your soil. I have 3 seeds today to put on the ground. Firstly, the beans, secondly the carrot, and thirdly the sack. So stay till the end. I wanted to share all the ideas which I have to propagate these seeds on the ground. Firstly, about the beans, you just have to take two, don't put more than a two seeds because they are highly chance to develop because they are now in the big size and they are in a good condition. You can see they will germinate. There's no worries to try. So put your beans only two or once and keep a space with the comfortable you feel or the assuming the size of their growth. Secondly, these carrots, see my new generation is shooting up and they are all healthy. I can see all are red and fresh. I'm selecting two, and for the carrot you have to have a good condition of bed so that the carrot can go inside the soil and develop the carrot in a big size. For that I'm keeping the space for almost 2 inches and putting two each so that I can get a good result. I have made a line so that I can know the space where I am putting. Better to use hand rather than spreading on the soil because it is wastage of a seed and also the less chances to grow the result. So better use your finger to get the better result. Lastly and the final things that I want to share is sack seeds are the smallest and you have to mix with the soil so that when you spread on the soil they will divide into the equal parts and you can feel comfortable to spread on the soil just like this. With that I'm ending up this video till here. Thank you for staying till the end. If you like my ideas, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you like the contents that I'm talking. And if you have any new ideas, please feel free to comment and please share your knowledge in this space and be the part of my life. So bye bye, love you all, thank you so much.